I had a partial denture on the top, and I had a lot of problems with it. I've got such a small mouth and it kept falling, and every time I was eating it was causing ulcers and real discomfort in my mouth. And I put up with this for about 2 years, and I went to my own dentist, and because it's such a small mouth, he recommended me to the dental specialist because we have to get special plates made. So I came along to the Edinburgh Dental Specialists, and they had a look and we reviewed what we were going to do. So we decided there was 5 of my own teeth left, and it would be better that the partial denture didn't work. So we decided that it would be best to take the 5 remaining teeth out. One was a crown that needed renewed anyway. One was a tooth that was filled. It was just about a shell. So it wasn't a problem. And we decided that we needed 5 implants on the top, full arch. And I attended quite several times. And each time I came, the staff were very helpful, very caring. Felt great getting looked after. So today is my last day. I've had all alterations done to my satisfaction, and they look absolutely amazing. And the staff are amazing too. You couldn't get a better bunch of people. So if you're in need of anything, I would definitely suggest that you go along to Edinburgh Dental Specialists. As you see of today, I have a beautiful smile. It's given me a lot of confidence. I can eat a lot better. I have no discomfort now. So now I can live my life with a nice great big smile and being able to eat.